Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. We are here with another episode of Karen's Cooking Corner. Today we are going to be making mulberry jam and vegan sugar cookies, and then I'm gonna put the mulberry jam between the cookies so it's almost like a lindsertart. So yeah. So this recipe, the jam and the sugar cookies, they are both vegan. So yes. I'm gonna start out by cleaning out the mulberries. I'm putting the berries in the blender to mush them up. You could also use the potato masher. Alright. So that's what it looks like inside the blender. Then it says cook on medium heat. Then add 2 cups sugar. I'll just squeeze one in. Oh boy. I'm just gonna add some honey in. The recipe doesn't call for this, but I'm going to try it. Simmer for 30 minutes. Simmering for 30 minutes, I'm going to start making the sugar cookies. Let's focus. This is the vegan sugar cookie recipe that I am using.
I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go again. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on you.
The jam's done. And the cookies are in the oven for 8 minutes. Now I'm gonna put the jam in something else to cool off. These cool off. I'll put it up here. These are out of the oven and they smell good. Wanna know why it was so hard for me to get this off? Because I was using the spatula upside down.
I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go again. Got you shackled in.
Alright, so that came out a success, which is good.
Yeah.
Berries freshly picked from our berry tree, made into jam. It's pretty easy too, and it's only like 3 ingredients. And then the vegan cookies, vegan sugar cookies, they were okay, but I think the jelly makes it taste better. So I'd give it a 7 out of 10. The Karen's Cooking Corner video. Ooh, they're really good.